Are you tired of boring, plain walls? What if I told you there's a quick, affordable way to completely transform your living room, bedroom, or even your office, without spending thousands on renovation? These 3D self-adhesive wall panels are trending worldwide, and it's no surprise why. They're lightweight, super easy to install, and instantly give your space a modern, stylish look. Just peel, stick, and watch your wall come to life. White heavy check mark, no messy glue or tools required. Anyone can DIY. White heavy check mark, waterproof and durable, perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. White heavy check mark, soundproofing effect, great for home offices or gaming rooms. White heavy check mark, available in multiple textures and colors, match your style effortlessly. If you want to give your home a makeover that looks expensive but costs very little, these wall panels are the perfect solution. I've dropped a special link in the description. Click it now to grab yours at the best price before stock runs out. Transform your space, impress your guests, and fall in love with your home again with just one simple DIY upgrade. Don't wait, your dream walls are just a click away.